Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about very important topic in Java, which is the inheritance. Inheritance is one of the key features of OOP that allows you to create a new class from an existing class. The new class that is created is known as a subclass or child or derived class. And the existing class from where the child class is derived is known as superclass or the parent or base class. The extends keyword is used to perform inheritance in Java. Let's take a very quick example and understand the inheritance. Let me create a vehicle class. This vehicle class that represents the common features for all vehicles, and then a car class that will be a specific type of vehicle that will inherit the properties and methods from this vehicle class. So this represents the parent class. Now, I'll create int number of wheels variable of type int that represents the number of wheels of this vehicle. And I'll create the constructor. Alt plus insert to create the constructor. Click OK. And here in 1 second, you can create the constructor. This class will has two methods. The first one is start and the second one is stop. When both methods called, there is a message will be appeared in the logcat that tells us the vehicle starts and the vehicle stops respectively. Now, let's create the child class, which is the car. I'll create a new class and this class will represent the child class. This car class extends a vehicle, so it will inherit from vehicle superclass. So this is the parent class and this is the child class. We have an error here. There is no default constructor available in vehicle. I'll create constructor matching super. But wait, what is the super keyword? Is it referencing for Superman? Absolutely no. The super keyword is a reference variable that it is used to access the immediate parent class's members, fields, methods, and constructors. It's often used in the context of inheritance when a subclass needs to refer to or call something from its superclass. And in this case, I want for the car to get the number of wheels from the vehicle. In this case, I can remove this and pass 4 because the cars in general have 4 wheels. So this is an attribute number of wheels is 4 for all the cars. I can create another properties and properties specific for the car. So car model, and here I can pass the string model car model equal to car model, and here I need this keyword